Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
It's been a long day. As a matter of fact, I should be saying good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Like the secretary of the committee had just recounted, we began by receiving and collating the results as they came in from the local governments in Anambra State. And I'm glad to state here that at the end of the exercise, we received and collated results from 20 out of the 21 local governments in Anambra State. It's been a long 2 days. This is the final chapter in the process of this year 2021 APC Governorship primaries in Anambra State. The returning officers from each local government have presented their results earlier on. And what I will be doing here is to announce the total results of each of the aspirants by local government area. I will start by announcing that the total accredited voters in these governorship primary elections in Anambra State was 348,490. That is 348,490 persons were accredited. Total vote cast was also 348,490. Total valid votes were also 348,490. Well, this is not unusual because this is the option A4 type of voting that one would expect that everyone who was accredited would have stayed around to be counted to vote. Now, I will announce the results of each of the aspirants, local government, the total of results of each of the aspirants. I will not go back into giving us the results per local government because that has been presented by the returning officers. So I'll start with Onunkwo, Johnbosco. Total votes scored is 28,746. 28,746 votes. George Moghalu, 18,596. 18,596 votes. Paul Orajiaka, 4,248. 4,248 votes. Bennett Etiaba. Bennett Etiaba, 4244. 4,244 votes. Geoff Onyejeagbu. Geoff Onyejeagbu, 3414. 3,414 votes. Azuka Okwosa, 17,159. That is 17,159 votes. Chidozie Nwankwo, 21,281. 21,281 votes. Andy Uba, 230,201. 230,201 votes. Maxwell Okoye, 2540. 2,540 votes. Okonkwo Godwin, 5907. 5,907 votes. Madu Edozie, 3626. 3,626 votes. Amobi Nwokafo, 3335. 3,335 votes. Igwebuike Ifeanyi, 1466. 1,466 votes. Moghalu Ikiobasi, 3727. 3,727 votes. Ladies and gentlemen, by the authority vested on me by the National Caretaker Committee of the All Progressive Congress, as the chairman of the Anambra State APC 2021 governorship primaries, I hereby declare Dr. Andy Uba the valid winner of this 2021 Anambra State APC governorship primaries. Having scored the highest votes of 230,201, 230,201 votes, and the required 25% in 2/3 of the local government areas where the elections were conducted in Anambra State. Dr. Andy Uba, congratulations. I wish to use this opportunity to thank all the aspirants that participated in this election. Again, like I said yesterday, our lot in Anambra State has been significantly enhanced. The collective hard work of the aspirants has mobilized members of the party, has enhanced our image, has improved the lot of the party, obviously, in Anambra State, and has increased the chances of our party winning the governorship seat in Anambra State in November of 2021. So one cannot but appreciate everyone who participated in this process.